In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Internet Explorer mode in Microsoft Edge. This can be particularly useful if you need to access older websites that require Internet Explorer for full functionality. I'll guide you through each step, making sure everything is crystal clear so you can do this with ease. Let's start by opening Microsoft Edge. Once you have it up, turn your attention to the top right corner of the browser window. You'll notice a familiar icon there, comprised of 3 horizontal dots aligned vertically. This represents your main menu, sometimes referred to as the More Options button. Go ahead and click on it. When you click those 3 dots, you're going to see a drop-down menu appear. From this menu, you should select Settings. This will take you to the main settings page where you can customize and adjust various options and features within Microsoft Edge to suit your needs. Once you're in the settings, look over to the left-hand sidebar. You'll see a list of categories. What we're interested in today is labeled as Default Browser. Please click on Default Browser. By doing this, you'll be taken to a page where you can control how Edge handles compatibility with websites that are designed for Internet Explorer. Now, as you look through the page, pay attention to the section titled Internet Explorer Compatibility, or something similar to allow sites to be reloaded in Internet Explorer mode. Under this section, you'll likely see a toggle or a drop-down menu that refers to allowing sites to be opened in Internet Explorer mode, often abbreviated to IE mode. This is exactly what we're looking to enable. After you've located this setting, click to activate it, enabling Edge to reload sites in IE mode when necessary. Once you've done this, you might be prompted to restart your browser. Don't worry, this is perfectly normal. Simply click the Restart button when prompted, and Microsoft Edge will close and reopen, initializing the changes you've just made. And there you have it. You're all set up to allow Microsoft Edge to use Internet Explorer mode for those websites that require it. This little adjustment can greatly enhance your browsing experience, especially if you often find yourself needing to access older or legacy sites. Thank you so much for following along with this quick tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, and feel free to share your thoughts or any questions you might have in the comments section. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe for more tips and tutorials. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more valuable content.